So you're thinking about buying a house without a realtor. Hey, I get it. You're smart, resourceful, and maybe you watched a couple HGTV episodes and thought, how hard can it be? Well, let's talk about that. All right, let's be fair. You can buy a house without a realtor, just like you can change your own oil, perform your own dental cleaning, or cut your own hair before picture day. Well, I can. It's possible, but you're probably going to regret it halfway through. Here are the real pros to not using a realtor. You don't have to wait on anyone else's schedule. You control the communication directly. You think you're saving money because, hey, no buyer's agent commission, right? But hold on, before you pop that bubbly, let's look at what you're signing up for. When you have a buyer's agent, they don't just unlock doors and hand you a pen. They do a lot of behind the scenes work to help protect you. Here's what we actually do for buyers. Find you properties that fit your needs and your budget, including ones that aren't even on the market yet. We pull neighborhood comparables so you don't overpay for your house. We communicate with the listing agents, scheduling showings, clarifying disclosures, and getting the inside info you will not see online. We analyze the contract, knowing what every single line means and which terms can bite you up later. We negotiate on your behalf, and it's not just about price, it's closing costs and repairs and timelines and even appliances. We connect you with trusted pros, inspectors, lenders, title companies, insurance, the people who keep the deal from falling apart. We manage deadlines. There are inspection periods, appraisal dates, loan approvals, and missing just one can cost you your deposit. Handle surprises. Appraisal comes in low, roof inspection goes sideways. We're the ones who are going to be the solutions before your deal blows up. Meanwhile, you're doing it solo. You're Googling, what does contingent mean at 2 a.m.? The listing agent saying, oh yeah, don't worry about that crack in the wall. And the lender's calling, asking you for just one more document for the 5th time this week. You're going to age 5 years and grow a new bald spot before you get the keys. Now, here's the kicker. Most of the time, the seller pays the buyer's agent commission. So all that expertise, protection, and negotiation, it costs you nothing out of your pocket. If someone offered to give you a professional to handle hundreds of thousands of dollars for free, would you say no? Of course you wouldn't. I had a client once who started out without an agent. They were trying to go directly to the seller to save money, and by the time they called me, the seller had already accepted another offer, and one that was worse than what they were going to offer too, because they didn't know how to present the offer properly. That mistake cost them their dream home, and that could be you if you don't use a professional. So, can you buy a house without a realtor? Absolutely you can. But you can also fly a plane without a pilot. You just might not like how it lands. A good agent doesn't just open doors, they open up opportunities. We protect your money and make sure that you get to the closing table without losing your mind. If you're thinking about buying in Central Florida, let's chat. No pressure, no gimmicks, just real advice to help you buy smart and stress less. Curious about what the areas are around the Central Florida area? Click on my link below for a free home buyer's guide to the area. And don't forget to subscribe later. See ya.